The crops are ripe in Jiading, waiting to be harvested. But this isn't just any farm, it's called the unmanned farm. For a city kid like me, it's very exciting to experience farm life up close and see how technologies are revolutionizing agriculture. Over 50 families came to experience the farm. Everyone was enthusiastic about the work.
My favorite part is I drive the wood down, go up and down.
Today, definitely the drones, the UAVs, very cool. I mean, I've seen maybe on video or TV, but never up close.
Now I'm gonna get my hands dirty and try to harvest them by hand. My mom is here, she knows her way around the farm. It's a new way to understand where our food comes from. But after just a few minutes of harvesting, I could already feel the exhaustion setting in. That really isn't easy work. I'm so glad they now have drones and unmanned harvesters to get everything done. The children were still excited though. I overheard one boy saying, "Quick, Mom, otherwise there won't be enough crops left for us to harvest."
割草，然后还收草，非常开心。
这个活动就一直在关注嘛，然后之前他们也举办了那个12季，今年刚好是第13季嘛。然后我们这个票也是我们定闹钟抢到的，带他们认识一下农作物。
你见过水稻吗？
见过呀，我去割了，我去割呀。
在英国有去农场里吗？
我去过一个做马的一个地方，就是那你要就是照顾好它才能吃，然后那里也是个农场。
I'm from the countryside in the UK, so I feel very at home here. But obviously, it's nice to bring the kids and the family out here to enjoy the country life and taste the local food. The best thing today, I think, was seeing how this farm is using drones to automate farming and agriculture. They require fewer workers to produce more food. It's great.
I live in Jiading, basically almost around the corner here. That gives more the feeling of living in a town rather than in a big city. Yet we're still very close to the big city, so you get sort of to have all the advantages of living in a big city while having a very nice and quiet life. It looks very much like the Netherlands, really, where I'm from, so it feels like home, you know, in a way.